If you miss cheese but love being vegan, get ready to discover some mouth-watering alternatives. Let's dive into the world of vegan cheese sauces. First up, a super creamy cashew-based cheese sauce, perfect for mac and cheese or slathered on a vegan pizza. Next, we've got a melty marvel made with nutritional yeast and soy milk. Think mozzarella, but vegan and delicious. And for the spice lovers, a jalapeno-based sauce that'll take your nachos or grilled veggies to the next level. Each sauce has its own unique flavor and texture. We'll highlight their key ingredients, show you how to whip them up, and what dishes they pair best with. Get ready for a taste test that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. Watch how these sauces melt, blend, and most importantly, taste. So whether you're a vegan pro or just looking to mix things up, these vegan cheese sauces are here to impress. Comment below on which sauce you're excited to try, and check out our other vegan recipe videos for more delicious options. Don't miss out, your dairy-free cheese dreams are about to come true.